It's Jacob.
Hey Jacob, Riani got arrested.
Oh, really?
Yeah, Riani's fan burned Central Middle School down, so he's in jail. Malia even came to report on WFTV9. Also, a guy named Tanim came to report for Wesh 2 News.
Who's this Tanim dude?
He's the guy who has blue hair, has headphones, and reports for Wesh 2 News. At the WFTV studio with Raphael and Malia.
Oh no. What's happening?
I don't know, Malia. Something bad.
We must report it to WFTV, Wesh 2, and Fox 35.
At Tanim's penthouse.
Oh fuck. I better send it to Raphael, Malia, the rest of WFTV9, the rest of Wesh 2 and all of Fox 35.
At the Fox 35 studio with Marco and Colin. Colin, what's happening?
To be continued. See you guys in the next one.